Sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam ki larai ban thung dekat Joint Committee ke ban khmi ye ki kam ki lapin pau dekat Assam persha ye kajing tre kam jong ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. La ba kedo hangne dangshen Menteri rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula kenno persha ye ke USTM ba kadiga dawba halor kajing shli jong ke nongba Guwahati. Ula kenno ba ke jingpom ding pathar bat maj pathar ye kilum ha USTM kelawan ra ye ke ni kajing shli ke ba ula ong ba kadiga flood jihad. Haba pintip yakini hene si balang Menteri rangba konrad ki sangma ula ong ba Menteri rangba ka Assam bat mau kila yakren yakini kam bat ki arliang mamla kila rai bantung ka joint committee jeng ki officer ki ban se yakmi bat bishar ya baro ki kam ki blapin pau ka Assam.
Two things. Number one, Assam CM and myself have decided on a verbal conversation that we will be putting up a small joint committee where officials from both the states will be there and we'll look into all the aspects of the different concerns that have been raised by Assam and others. And in that, we will take up the other matters also. Both the chief secretaries are in touch to formalize the formation of this committee, where, as I said, officials from both the states will be there, and all these concerns will be taken up, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to resolve most of the issues there.
By when is it likely?
Well, we received, after my discussion, we have received official communication in the last, I think, about 3-4 days' time, at the beginning of this week or last week, I can't remember. And we're hopeful that maybe within a week's time, this committee should